My pleasure.
Capsule. This is a smart bag that can clean its content as well as itself. To do it, Capsule uses ultraviolet lights and ozone, killing the bacteria and eliminating any odor. Each cleaning cycle lasts 35 minutes, after which the ozone is transformed into oxygen and the smell becomes more pleasant. Capsule is controlled with an application for iOS and Android, and the program notifies the users when the cleaning is finished. Pre-order this unusual device for $229. Rebirth. This is a treadmill, but also an aquarium and a jacuzzi, all in one. The treadmill is located at the bottom of an ergonomic body of water, and one of the walls is a futuristic control panel with all the relevant information. The training consists of running. Despite the resistance caused by the liquid, the device minimizes the effect of running in the body. When the person runs with water to the chest, their weight decreases by 80%, creating practically a weightless effect. The current price of this device is unknown. Smart shoe. The main feature of these sports shoes is the ability to warm the user's feet on the cooler days of the year. In addition, the sneakers can count the number of steps and the amount of calories burned in the day. These smart shoes don't have laces, but can be tied thanks to a mechanical system controlled by the smartphone, which can be connected via Bluetooth. At the front of the shoes, there's a small LED light bulb that will light your way in the dark. The price of a pair of smart shoes is $450. Trigo. Not so long ago, a three-wheeled bicycle for adults was presented. This device combines a detachable cart that can withstand a load of up to 55 pounds, without losing the usual maneuverability of a bike. The front wheel of the bicycle has been replaced by a two-wheeled cart made of lightweight and sturdy aluminium to place boxes, drawers, bags, and other objects. Developers say maneuverability will delight postmen, housekeepers, older people, and those who can't handle heavy loads. The Trigo is available for pre-order at a price of $635. Snorkel. This is a balloon of compressed air. The particularity of this invention is that the user can fill the air balloon using a pump. The device is very simple. The balloon is held with the mouth and has a system of valves that allow working underwater and breathe when necessary. Depending on the activity of each diver and their personal data, the reserve of air guarantees up to 10 minutes of underwater breathing. Snorkel has a pressure gauge which shows the level of the air in the pump, Pre-order this device for $200. Go Duo. Unlike ordinary stereo speakers, Go Duo is wireless and uses Bluetooth technology. At a considerable distance from the information source, Go Duo can operate on its own or next to a similar speaker, creating an unsurpassed and powerful stereo sound, which can run for several hours thanks to its powerful battery. The magnetic base allows you to attach the Go Duo speakers to each other or place them on any metal surface. Go Duo is waterproof and shock resistant, plus comes with a protective case, which allows you to carry them comfortably and easily. The speakers can be pre-ordered for $79. Beast Grip. This is the first adapter for lenses and other photo instruments for smartphones. The device uses a patented construction of adjustable grips that fit any phone. The product can be used as a common tripod, a comfortable handle, or a professional and multifunctional photo module. The device has a 37mm thread for lenses and light filters, a hot shoe, and 5 standard handles for tripods. Additionally, the device has several lenses and a DOF adapter to use with mirror lenses. The base version of this device can be purchased for $278. Cosmo Connected. This small device can be located on any helmet, including a motorcycle, to increase its functionality. The gadget can record the user's movements on the road and create maps of its routes. It also has a flash to warn other drivers of the user's presence. In case the motorcyclist suffers an accident, Cosmo Connected can contact the emergency services and inform them about the incident. To start using the device, the user must connect it to his or her smartphone. The price of the gadget is $80. Bicky. This robot drone reaches a speed of 1.12 miles per hour and can reach a depth of up to 196 feet. To control the movements, you use a mobile application or a special control that works up to 10 meters underwater. In the body of the robot, there are a couple of lights to make recordings in deep waters, where the sunlight is minimal. The included GPS module allows the robot to return to the starting point in case of problems with the connection. A full charge allows you to work between 90 and 120 minutes, and the recorded files are stored in an internal memory of 32 GB. The mobile app works with Android and iOS, and the underwater drone can be pre-ordered for $600. Jabby. This boxing system has a weapon that works as a glove and an application to control it via Bluetooth. Instead of the usual gamepad, players use a super glove with a movable spring fist. It has a telescopic mast of 96 centimeters. The power of the springs is released when the mast is activated. The result is a slight rubbing and not a direct hit. In any case, the mast is quite soft. And the game has child helmets. The device can be purchased for $70.